Here's how to view full test summaries in the ActivForce app. After completing a strength or range of motion test, you can extend your session or adjust your configuration with the post-test context menu. Tap the three-dot button to access the options menu. Use Edit Configuration to adjust test parameters and correct any setup errors. Add Repetition lets you repeat an identical test of the same configuration. This helps ensure consistent effort and reliable measurements. Tap Test Left or Right Side to quickly run a test on the opposite limb for direct bilateral comparison. You can discard and redo a test from scratch to ensure accurate data, or you can simply delete the records from the current session. Use Add Test to set up a new test with a different configuration. Enter a name for the test session to save the results. Use these functions for faster, more accurate, and repeatable bilateral muscle testing, consistent with standardized testing protocols. View the full session report on the web dashboard. Get accurate results, consistent data, and complete reports, all within the ActivForce app. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.